In today's video, let's see the regulation for steam pipe systems on ships. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 2 under Regulation 33, Steam Pipe Systems. This regulation is applicable for ships constructed from 1st of September 1984. Every steam pipe and every fitting connected thereto through which steam may pass shall be so designed, constructed and installed as to withstand the maximum working stresses to which it may be subjected. Means shall be provided for draining every steam pipe in which dangerous water hammer action might otherwise occur. If a steam pipe or fitting may receive steam from any source at a higher pressure than that for which it is designed, a suitable reducing valve, relief valve and pressure gauge shall be fitted. Hope you liked this video. If you have any question or comments, drop it in comment section. For more such video, subscribe to Marinora.